How to get olive oil stains out of a nice sweater. Scott here from Uncle Scott's Kitchen. You know, I do a lot of cooking around here, a lot of cooking videos. I'm often in a nice sweater. About 85% of the time, I forget to put my apron on. I occasionally get stains on my sweaters. This sweater, I got some bad olive oil stains on, and I'm going to show you how I got those out. Olive oil seems to be one of the worst offenders for not coming out in the wash. Here you can see stains on the sweater. And this has already been through the washing machine, so normal laundry detergent did not remove the stains. What I do is take normal grease cutting dishwashing liquid, not the stuff with hydrogen peroxide or any type of bleach or antibacterial, but the normal regular grease cutting dish soap. Put that on a paper towel, a good bit of it, and dab it onto the stains. Now don't rub, don't scrub, you don't want to ruin the texture of your fabric, but dab that on there and let that dishwashing liquid soak in, let it sit and rest for 10-15 minutes or so. And then I wash my sweaters on cold and I dry them under a fan. I never wash a sweater on hot or put it in the dryer. I can't really take any chances on any sweater shrinkage. And then after it's dry, I actually had to do this twice. You may have to do it twice if the stains are really in there. But look at this, the stains are gone. So dab on dishwashing liquid, let it soak in, let the dishwashing liquid break up the oil that remains in your sweater, then wash it on cold and you should be good to go.